Hello, my beloved Cathnetics. It's me again, Kathy, your Ilocana, Ilongga, Bisaya gal. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'm with Mother Dear na napakaganda. Tapos si Beb nandun maakyat. Kaya kami nakaayos ng ganito kasi pupunta kami sa Luau. Ayan, yun yung Hawaiian nila, parang program na dinadayuhan ng mga turista, families and friends nila dito. So, meron silang event na mga ganyan. Actually, the one that we have, nag-book kami sa Luau, Kalamako. Yan. So, yan yung itinerary natin ngayon. Meron din siyang train ride. Yun yung Hawaiian package na kinuha natin. Para naman ma-experience natin. Ma-experience ni Bisayang Ilocana na hindi pa naka-experience nun. Yun, natin. May papakita namin sa inyo at saka mag-enjoy din ako. So, ayun. We're gonna leave now and I'll see you guys in a bit. Saan yung train ride? Ayun, Luau Kalamako. That way, Beb, oh. Luau Kalamako, nakalagay.
Saan natin sa mag-bumpero na tayo? Ito siya gaganapin.
Oh. Diyan mamaya. Pero dito yung train tours. Is this a souvenir area?
Accused of that.
I don't think that's a bad thing.
No.
You want to get on the earlier train before 4:30 as well?
Thank you.
Okay. I think may pila. So pumila na tayo. This is the train. Here we're going west. We're having 432. Mababasa tayo dito. Kailangan doon tayo sa loob. Okay. Wow. Naulan na luaw.
So we're all gonna get wet probably. Or maybe we're gonna go there.
Yeah. Unahan tayo dyan. Kaso, hindi makita yung view.
So, ayan, guys. The weather here is
Pila
really
tayo.
unpredictable.
Magkano tayo ng pila?
Look at that.
Yeah, sa pila. Dito sila.
Oh.
Okay, online. Bagyo.
The number 2 car, which is open air, as you can see, no walls, is normally the desired car. It takes the first 36 people. Okay, we need you to know that, how can I put it? If you choose to sit in that car tonight, it's wet and adventurous. Okay, we cannot help you and say, oh, we're sorry you got a little wet or whatever. We don't pass out coverings or anything. If it pours, you can inch your way towards the center and you don't really get too wet. But then again, it is kind of a side rain and you can get splattered and whatnot. We have 3 good weather cars. Okay, 3, 4, and 1. So we try to see 3 and 4 first. 1 gets a little bit exhaust from the engine. It's not the most desirable, even though it's up there front. You might think, ooh, we want one. That's where the last people that come, I usually end up putting them. So if you'll just let me know when you walk up here, hey, we're wet and adventurous, we're going for that. Or say no, we'd rather just stay dry. And we'll start loading back there. So.
You wanna be wet?
Here we go.
You wanna get wet?
Number 1. I was gonna say, you look very right? Oh yeah. And that's your souvenir card. So anyone that wants to go free will follow where these people are going.
Okay. It's bored.
When you get inside, you walk in the middle of the window. You guys can go. You can go 4 also.
Alright. Boarding time.
Okay. Try boarding. That's a good one. 3 or 4. Who's got your ticket for this group?
Good. Let's get.
Let's get your tickets ready, folks. There you go. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so you guys are gonna stay in the dryer car.
Saan tayo ba? 3 or 4?
Let's go on the third one. Punta tayo sa huli.
3 or 4.
Oh, 4. Yung 4. Punta tayo sa 4.
You want 4?
Yeah. It's always good to go
Gonna
first,
choose
but this
the-
time it's better to stay at
The last one.
the last
See,
car.
it's raining.
Rain, go away. Okay, madalas na yan. Madalas. Okay. Good. Okay na ako. Tawa.
Where do you want?
Choose. Over here.
Over here?
Kasi kita mo dyan.
Okay, right here.
Tawa. Diyan tayo. Dalawa tayo. Go, sit mo rin. Okay. There we go.
So, ayun. If you heard, we need to choose. Either what and what adventurous or just conservative. Kaya naka-make up si Bisayang Ilocana, ayaw nating malusaw. Kaya dito tayo sa inyo.
Madamba.
Kaya hindi tayo pwede mabasa.
Boom! The whole window came out. My boss was watching me. I was like,
Alright, let's just wait for the train
all
ride.
tiny or
Why?
And he looked at it like,
You wanna go there?
Kala ko ito. Wala na sa port.
that's what I said too. I was like, she wish.
Can you hold it? Ayan.
I would have like super.
Maganda dyan kasi
Yeah. Ayan. So tayo malapit sa bintana, and then we also have a window here. Ayan. So mas kita natin yung ano. Although maybe we're gonna get wet a little bit, di ba, Beb? Around here, maybe we're gonna get a little wet. Yeah, kasi nasa may ano tayo, dito sa may pinakapinto. Ayan, but it's okay. Walk of fun.
Okay, so Bisayang Ilocana is already aboard.
Aloha, good evening everybody, welcome. Welcome to Wet and Wild Kauai. I'm Rick, I'll be your conductor today. Tiny is our engineer. We have sporadic seating throughout the train tonight, so not a full train by any means, but safety rules are still the same. The only thing we really get concerned about is you walking around in the cabin while the train's in motion. We can't have that. Now, those of you that are sitting by a window, you're more than welcome to please open them up. Those guys that are in the second car, the Wet and Wild people, you can go ahead and close your windows if you want. Just kidding.
Look at the wing.
We have some troopers in car 2 that are gonna go for it. Good for them. Alright, I got a question for you guys. Has anyone seen a chicken since they've been here? Hello?
Where? I don't see roti, see the chicken. Oh, ayan na. Pakakainin nila.
Chickens.
Yeah, pakakainin nila.
They're everywhere on Kauai. I don't care what you're doing. You can pull over to get gas, you get out of your car, there's a chicken. Go to a grocery store, park your car, there's a chicken. It don't matter what you're doing, there's always going to be a chicken. Chickens, chickens, chickens. Now the chickens came to us about 200 years ago. The first explorers and missionaries. Those ships back then that they were sailing on, they didn't have a refrigeration, you know. So they had to bring live animals for sustenance. And that would include goats, pigs, and chickens. the father's name is Red Bull. Red Bull is an honorary beast. We've had Red Bull since he was a baby. He's now 15 years old. Red Bull has all the features every man loves having, including massive horns. Say hi, Red Bull. He's always carrying a sack lunch. And there's a couple of his daughters. Red Bull's fathered all the cattle we have.
Red Bull.
Now, really back.
Sorry.
Kailan mo?
They know that they're getting food.
When the cows come up, you guys can hold the sort of their mouth and the cup will go around the inside. Be careful of them. They got some really large tongues, so they try to wrap around your arm all the time. They don't have a mouth to move nasty.
Bisayang Ilocana will feed the lechon.
Wild pigs. We're gonna feed them.
Tatay na ano na, patunaw na yun. Basta ano na. Basta na.
Stop fighting. That's some alfalfa for a horse, donkey, or cows, and the pig food is a tortilla.
That's for the horse daw, tsaka the alcohol something. This is for the pig.
For the horse.
Yeah.
For the
For the
pig.
pig.
Where's the horse? Or the cow?
Oh yeah, for the cow is the thingy.
Oh, they're hungry then.
No, no.
Oh my goodness. No.
It's so sweet. This one, they fight.
Little guys, but... Jump doon. Jump sa malaya.
Oh, fell down on the ground. Oh, look at that. It fell down underneath there. It's on the ground behind you.
This one.
You guys want some more animals? You guys go inside, okay?
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, right on top.
Let's go.
Ito. Naubusan na siya. Laki niya. That's it. Okay, ayan, ano, sanitizer.
Pretty sure I could have went off the pills and fed the pigs. Gotten a lot less wet. But you gotta do it while you're here, right? I gotta
Sobrang basa. O, diba? O, diba?
Venture.
Venture. Basa.
You want to sit there?
Okay. Let's wait for the next trip. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Aloha. Have a safe one. Watch your step, buddy. Watch your step, okay? Real wet. Take it out. See you guys. Aloha. Have a great day, everybody. Aloha. Well, have a great evening.
Yay, we made it back. And now the next thing that we're gonna do is go to the luau and have a party.
6 giờ 30 đi, 6:15 cho 6:30 có